NextDevKit is a SaaS starter template built with Next.js or OpenNext, seamlessly integrating essential features like database, authentication, payment processing, email, object storage, and a blog documentation system right out of the box. It boasts a modern landing page designed to showcase your features, with customizable pricing displays and payment integrations. Naturally, it includes a comprehensive FAQ along with polished navigation and footer components. Dark mode? Check. Multi-language support for internationalization? Absolutely. NextDevKit offers a collection of high-quality front-end components with a blog UI inspired by Notion's clean aesthetic and documentation powered by the visually impressive Fuma docs and other open-source projects. Plus, you can effortlessly switch between front-end style themes. On that, it comes with a fully functional dashboard, enabling users to update their name, upload a profile picture, change passwords, view billing details, and manage email subscriptions. Deployment is a breeze. NextDevKit supports Next.js on platforms like Vercel and various containerized environments. With OpenNext, you can natively deploy on Cloudflare Workers or AWS, leveraging tools like D1 databases and KV caching on Workers. So you'll never have to worry about sky-high Vercel bills again. On AWS, NextDevKit enables one-click deployment via SST, eliminating the need to manage infrastructure code. It supports Next.js deployment through Lambda or ECS with seamless integration of AWS features like CloudFront and CloudWatch. If you're looking to kickstart your SaaS project, NextDevKit can save you hundreds of hours. And here's the best part. You can grab it now with a 20% early bird discount.